Hi, my name is DeMello,
I'm Marco Venegas.
I'm Samir Akre.
and we are Thank You Bass God. Our project was number 2, which is the
Audio sampler.
audio sampler, GUI audio sampler. And so what we have here is our main board. For the purpose of showing our faces, I'm going to just drag this over here so we could get a full what's going on. And I worked on loading, playing, and plotting the sample, as well as chopping and saving those chops. So if you go here, this drop-down menu offers a pop-up, and we'll go ahead and write snow, or load snow, because Red Hot Chili Peppers is number 1. And when you press the play button, it plays the sound, the full song, as well as plots it on the graph, so you can see that. Let's stop it because it's a little loud, and I'm not that loud. The chop button is incorporated with these sliders. So if you see at the bottom, there are seconds. So you could go here, and the largest you could go is 175 seconds, and the smallest you could go is 176. This is for the minimum, and this is for the maximum. So let's go to 0, and let's just go to 176. And so if you say chop that, it'll replot the graph and also replot your sliders. Just give it a second. But after you do that, as you can see, you have a new graph here. And when you do that, you can say play chop, and it'll play this new chop, as you can hear it. Stop that again. When you have the chop you want, let's say this is the chop we want, you could say save chop, and it'll open a new window. And you could save it as, say, test. And I think I saved it as test before, so it's saved it as test. And when you want to, you could reload it as test, and test is right here, or test upload. Anyhow, I'm not going to load it. And Samir is going to show you how the effects work, because he worked on the effects.
All right, so we have 4 basic effects, and then we can change the audio type as well. So when you have your chop sample, you want to make it sound real cool. So let's say you want to speed it up. So right here you input the multiple that you want to speed up the file by. So let's go double speed, and then you just press play chop, and it should double the speed. Oh wait, hold up, I forgot to. This is a key thing you have to do as well. You have to click the speed button, make sure it's checked, and now if you play it, it should be double speed. And then another effect we could do, we can pile effects on top of each other. We can do double speed and reverse, so it'll play backwards but really fast. And yeah, and along with that, you can also save this edited. You can save the edited chopped file as another one as well and load it if you really want to. But I don't really think you want all these piled on top of each other. Another key issue that there is with the effects is that if you're trying to do a delay echo, you can't have an audio file longer than 20 seconds because it takes a while to do that delay effect. So I guess we can try it right here. Let's go like 91 till 75. Let's go a little bit shorter. 78. All right, we'll chop it here and play chop with the delay effect. Yeah, okay. So those are the effects. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm Marco Venegas, and I worked on the synthesizer. I'm going to have to cover my face right now because it's on the other side of the GUI. So what the synthesizer does, it could play a note from G4 all the way to G5 chromatically. So let's do that real fast. And yeah, we could modify the sound by turning on the ADSR. So let's turn that on real fast. And right now it's on its default settings, and you hear a difference right now. Also, on the bottom, on top of the keyboard, there is attack, decay, sustain, and release. What that means is attack is how loud it sounds at the beginning. Decay is how fast it will die down after the attack. Sustain is how long it will hold that note. And then release is how long it will let go of the note. So we can modify them to equal 1. They must equal 1, and if they don't, they'll be set to default settings. So let's change them real fast. Let's put attack to 0.05, decay at 0.2, sustain at 0.4, and release at 0.35. From there, you can just play any note, and then it will just have this updated ADSR. Okay, so let's turn off ADSR now, and now we can record what we play on the keyboard. So let's push the record button and play some random. Take off the record, you can play it back. Let's reset that now. And if you try playing again, it won't do it. So let's play something new and record it. Stop record, and we could save this recording into a new file. Let's put, I don't know, thing, and convert to wave. And now if you go to your pop-up menu, it will pop up, and we see, let's look for thing, and there it is. Thing is right there. I won't upload it because I don't want to. Yeah, that's pretty much all of our GUI. And thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Base God. Alahu, Base God.
Hey, take it off.